Okay guys, so as you can see, we've done most of the braids. They're really big because of course it is a jumbo braid hairstyle. So I'm gonna show you how to do these jumbo braids just in the last part here right in front. We're gonna do the last two together. So of course I gotta start by partitioning my hair in alignment with all the other parts that I already did. And then I'm going in with the gel for today. Just be generous enough to cover all the hair. And of course, make sure your baby hairs are out of the way if you have them. Okay, and then you need to apply your rubber band. Next, you need to take your braiding hair and yeah, you need to be generous. I guess use your discretion. But for me, one packet is enough for 4 braids in my head. So this is the amount that I'm taking. So it's quite a lot. And then I'm dividing it into 2. Because it's too thick to crochet the one piece on by itself. Then I'm taking my crochet hook. Then I'm taking my hair and twisting it a little so that it ends up looking like this. And then I'm going to crochet it on, close the clasp and pull it through. And I'm going to pull out the one side so it moves like this. Then I'm taking that other side and I'm just going to place it right on top so they can interlock, so they can be interlocked like so. And then I'm just going to start plaiting in the 3 sections like box braids. And there you have it. You have a jumbo braid. Okay. Okay, so once we're done, we're going in with the curls. Today we're using the Milano curls. Of course, color number 1. This is what they look like. So this is what it looks like outside the packet. So I'm gonna start with 1 curl. So the curls are very big, so we're just gonna open them up and break them down into pieces. Since these are jumbo braids, I'm gonna use bigger pieces than I normally do when I do my normal goddess braids. So take it and open it up like so. Take your braid and then start crocheting from the top. Pull it through and then take 1 strand and put it in like so. So there you have it, guys. So now I'm just gonna put these throughout the braid. So from top to bottom, I'm probably gonna put 3, and then I'm gonna put 1 right at the end so that it can be really giving curls on curls on curls. And there you have it, guys, a whole braid full of the curls. So let's do the rest of my head.